Welcome to SMF Street. What I would like to inform people is a very bullish setup as far as a weekly chart on LDK Solar. And all of you solar heads out there know exactly what I'm talking about. When LDK was up here at that $70 range and breaking when it first came, it's a Chinese ADR. Not only that, it was great shorts when we were doing it in 2008. And it's been putting in a very long multi-year constructive price action bottom. And basically you can tell within these little dips here that, you know, there was accumulation here, there was accumulation here, and there's another accumulation. And back in 09, the highs were up here. And let's take a look at those highs right there at 1398, and there's another high at 1159 naturally, and here's those other highs over here at 942. So for the shorter term looking move, we'll be looking for that. However, the bullish thing is that the 10-week is flattened out finally, and it's all of this trend, all of this year here of 010 and parts of 09 is that the 10-week was descending, going down, and that's why the equity would go down with using the 10-week moving average right along with that pink line, which is the 50-week. And the 50-week is going to stop going down, and for the first time in the actual trend structure, you're setting up for a major breakout. And the breakout is that we have come up for the first time with the weekly moving averages. The 20-week is starting to flatten out. You can see the long downtrend of that pink 50-week. But now it's starting to get a place where it wants to stop, and the equity is getting its support level, and it has an ascending weekly breakout of a, you know, we had some pretty good little weeks in here of these last weeks. So what we do have is in the short term, I can show you the key is this right here. That's the SMF Street weekly bar. And basically I consolidate now up above here. Well, this was the last lows of the body of this last consolidation prior to the breakout. So what we're going to be looking for is that blue line, the 10-week, to cross above that red line, which is the 20-week, which means that that whole long time bear trend is coming to a rest, because it is. And the bear trend started back here and then back in 08, and as far as 09 goes is that the long-term bear trend is finally starting to come to rest. And when a long-term bear trend comes to rest, that means that you get huge breakouts over time. These are all weekly now. See it how it says weekly chart up here? And these are all weekly moves here. And we are this blue bars down here, as soon as we get them above this line, the zero line right here, as soon as we get a weekly bar right there, up there, that will be a weekly buy signal, because it will. Right now it's minus 0.145. So basically where a trend will get strong will be when these weekly buy signals get in the name. And not only that, that weekly cross above there is going to be nice. And this is how a long-term bear trend goes to rest, is that you finally have to set up using the weekly moving averages. And SMF Street has a mathematical weekly moving average system, and it's very accurate. The only way you'll ever get to know that is by coming to visit us for a free 5-day trial. Everyone qualifies regardless of experience, but you get that 5 free-day trial to get started. It's free to you. Not only that, you can become an SMF Street trader. What a great title to have. So basically, I am putting out a buy with our traders and our worldwide network staff because we like to get in names when they finally come out of their long bear, and it's been hibernating all year, but now it's finally come out of but meaning that it's going to stay in hibernation. So it's going to stay in hibernation for a long time. And so the difference is that we look for quality earnings. We look for quality weekly charts to go along with it. Here is the name right here. Today's high 7.62. LDK Solar and Company, sponsored ADR out of China. Go back to our SMF, stockmarketfunding.com. We previewed the earnings. So if you go to the home page, you'll find out the history there, their last earnings report and whatnot. And basically, it's, you know, it's not something that you're going to see that goes up $10 like a tech stock in exuberance. No. But what you will see over time is where prices go higher based on everything I said in this video. Have a great day. And once again, this trade here, like always, is, you know, whether you're in the school and while you're being taught, you know, of course, we'd be buying this, and you have some kind of good holding there while you're going through your training here at SMF.